Welcome back to Index Zero. Last time, we played with a tilt shift sensor. We used it to detect motion and turn an LED on. Today, we're going to use another sensor, but it detects light instead of movement. Once again, I am joined by my team, Lance and Wency, to break down each part. Let's get started.
This project uses a light-dependent resistor, also called a photoresistor or LDR. The LDR resistance decreases when light shines on it and increases in the dark. By building a voltage divider with the LDR and a fixed resistor, Arduino can read the brightness as an analog value. This allows us to create a simple automatic night light that switches on when the room becomes dark.
So the materials we needed for this activity are: first, Arduino Uno, a breadboard, prototype shield, photoresistor or LDR, 10K resistor, LED plus 220 resistor, and a jumper wires. To assemble, place the LED and the light sensor in the breadboard. By default, the longer the lead will always be the positive lead. For the sensor, add a resistor below the positive charge and connect the resistor to the Arduino's 5V power. Below the resistor, connect a jumper wire that leads to the Arduino's analog pins. For the LED, connect it to a digital pin but first, pass it through a resistor. Connect both negative leads to the ground pin of the Arduino.
Here is the full code. Let's break it down line by line. First, we initialize two variables, one for our LED pin and the other for storing voltage readings from the analog pins. In the setup function, we declare the LED pin as an output, and we initialize the serial so we can see the readings in real time. In the loop function, we set up our val variable to contain and read the voltage set from our light sensor, then use the serial print function to display the readings in the serial monitor. Finally, we have an if statement that checks whether the reading values are below 1000. If it is the case, the LEDs are turned off. Otherwise, it is turned on. As a final touch, we add a minuscule amount of delay so that the readings and conditional statements do not overlap themselves. Let's see the code in action. That concludes our video for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.